Right, so greetings everyone. So week 8 Python tasks. This will be here. Let's go quickly over what you need to do. Again, very similar to previous week. We go to the repository. Again, I assume you already have your own Git code space created here already on your own sign-in, of course, right? So there should be already stubs. You can find them here, right? Week 2. And you see here. The files, again, they are basically for practicing. Right, some simple instructions, basically create your own data, basically, and practice a little bit of Python syntax. Again, no grade for these, so practice to your best ability. Again, all four, right? Again, some filtering tasks, of course, here, right, like these. Again, some of them I added some extra commands, but again, free form, right? Add your own data and print some results. Okay, so pretty easy. Again, you submit them through our lab right here, right? You can also submit URL for your GitHub repository or just the source files by yourself. And of course, again, you need to do the quiz. Again, maybe some questions might not work. You let me know, but it's not the end of the world, right? If it doesn't work, that's fine. Again, main thing is to complete it. And again, reminder that the main thing is, of course, is if you have not done so, right, you will need to show me your working code for the arithmetic parser written in C, right? If you have not done so, yeah. So you have today, 3rd of November, or also 10th of November in a week. All right. So thank you, everyone, and I will see you in the class.